Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to tell you about the issue we have recently. I went ahead and reported a bug to the Notion team, and this is what I heard back. Quincy here stepping in for this other person. My sincere apologies that this is impacting your experience and workflow. This is definitely not intended behavior and has been filed with our engineering team as many users reported this issue. I follow this up with our engineering team to take a deeper look at it. We may not have a fix right away, but know it's on our to-do list. Rest assured that there's a lot of construction for a fix happening behind the scenes. We will definitely be in contact as soon as we hear from them. We appreciate your patience as we're always working to improve our app. Please let me know if I can help with anything else in the meantime. Thank you, Notion team. So it turns out Notion is changing their exporter. This means that stuff is breaking. This is normal when you have a startup and they're trying to improve their product. I think one feature they added recently was the option to select exporting without any files. And maybe they did some refactoring. I don't know. I'm just speculating here, guessing randomly. So, yeah, I've been in a couple of startups and I've seen what happens there. So I'm guessing that's my assumption. So most likely the Notion exporter is going to become more and more unstable. That means that Notion to Anki, as it currently is probably going to stop working, not because of us, but because of the changes that's happening in Notion. I already know that the default options in Notion to Anki won't work with Notion. They used to before, but Notion has made changes in the HTML. So you actually have to tweak Notion to Anki now, even like I don't think it will work out of the box. It used to before. So if you haven't seen the other video I made on my recommended card option, check that one out. And yeah, if if we don't hear back from Notion soon about this, I'm gonna try to see if we can find a workaround. But I'm guessing the best thing is probably to move over to using the Notion API because yeah, relying on the exporter doesn't seem to be reliable in the long term. And yeah, so what's currently blocking the Notion API? The API still currently only supports text blocks, so we wouldn't be able to use files there regardless. But when it does support attachments like images and so on, then it's closer to ready to use. And I'm guessing the API is going to be much more stable than the exporter in the long term. Not currently, not in the short term, but yeah, you get what I'm saying. And if you don't get what I'm saying, just ask questions in the comments and I'll read them and then try to reply. So yeah, to summarize, the audio attachments no longer work. They used to work before, but something is changing with the Notion exporter. So hopefully they will get this resolved, but it might take longer. So yeah, unfortunately, you won't be able to export audio files from Notion anymore until there's a fix. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I think it kind of sucks, but that's life. Sometimes something improves in the right direction, sometimes it goes backwards. So yeah, if you haven't already clicked like on the video, please do that, and then see you in the next video. Bye.